So in case you guys are wondering on how these things are put together and how to be able to take this cap off, you have these little tabs. You have 4 of them going all the way around. Use just a regular kitchen knife. You have to put it into the open position, and that puts it on the lowest ridge. So if you notice, they spin up and down. You put them on the lowest ridge, and you can wedge a knife in between the 2 prongs, and you would be able to take it off. There's 4 of them. I started off with the 2 here in the front, and then I might work way to this back corner one, and then the last one. So you able to pop off. And the funny thing is that when you go to reinstall it, you have these little ramps. There's these little ramps. So you put this, like if this is gonna go, let's see here. Line it up for you. Oops, here and there. See that ramp, how that lines up with that? That lines up kind of with the clothes. And they go back together. So that's how you get into them.